sitting on a rock and watch the heron fly. Feet in the water, alpha wave. It has been such a beautiful day. A beautiful day. A beautiful